Lagyan ko ng kanin na.
Sige.
Sir Shubs, ikaw maghiwa ng manok.
Ano po ba?
Yung manok?
Lilipat?
Kailangan ng kutsilyo.
Baliwag, baliwag.
Baliwag ba ito o ando?
Dito naman yung Schubert.
Come, you try.
Just well.
Lalagyan ko anong part na gusto niyo. Ano yan? Adobo? Roast chicken. Has to be, I don't know if it's diced.
James. Filipino dito sa Paris. Mga based dito sa Paris. And then,
they are also preparing a video something
Really?
sana for celebration.
kaso alam mo, busy tayo eh. So, ito lang ang ating time na magsalo-salo. So, hanggang mamaya, di pa natin alam kung anong oras tayo matatapos.
Sir, saan po galing yung chicken? Is that all the way from the Philippines or
French chicken yan.
pero cooked in the Filipino way?
Yeah, cook yung ating the Filipino way.
Sir, were the ones who cooked it delegates or just people in France? Filipinos?
Mga sila, yung mga Batanggenyo dito sa Paris.
Batangas chicken po ba yan or something?
French chicken, Batangas style.
Okay. Kailan po kayo na-coordinate to make sure that food would be...
Kagabi lang. Then, sabi nila, magkakaroon sila ng problem pagpasok kasi dahil ng security arrangement. That's why we need to pick up at the Port of Aubervilliers in the train station.
Just for this food to be here?
Yes.
Like elbow your way.
And they are willing to host tonight a gathering for all the delegates.
How nice.
And they hire singer from Italy. Yeah, a Filipino singer in Italy to be with the delegates.
Why such a special
I
event?
don't know. They're just very gusto lang nilang makipag-celebrate sa kwan.